Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for chatbots. Integrating Perplexity AI into your chatbot can enhance its capabilities and provide a better user experience, so let's dive in. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can easily do that by just signing up on your Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now get to the API section which is on the top right corner. Now select docs. Now select get started, and here you can get the process of how to get an API key. You will need this key to access Perplexity AI services for your chatbot. Next, set up your development environment and ensure it's ready to integrate with Perplexity AI. This includes having the necessary libraries and dependencies installed. Prepare your chatbot's framework by configuring it to send and receive messages through the Perplexity AI API. This will involve setting up endpoints and handling the API requests and responses. Train your chatbot by providing it with the relevant data and configuring it to use Perplexity AI's natural language processing capabilities. This will help your chatbot understand and respond to user inputs effectively. Test your chatbot to ensure it's working correctly with Perplexity AI. Pay attention to how it handles different types of user inputs and make adjustments as needed to improve performance. Deploy your chatbot and monitor its interactions with users. Keep an eye on its performance and gather feedback to further refine and optimize its functionality. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully use Perplexity AI to power your chatbots, providing enhanced capabilities and a better user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.